The EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra is a high-capacity, versatile portable power station designed to meet the demands of both everyday use and emergency backup power scenarios. This powerhouse offers an impressive 3,600 watt-hours (WH) of battery capacity, which can be expanded to an incredible 25,000 WH with additional battery units, making it suitable for extended use in various applications, from home energy backup to off-grid adventures. One of the standout features of the Delta Pro Ultra is its multiple charging methods. It can be charged via standard AC outlets, car charging ports, solar panels, and even EV charging stations. This flexibility ensures that users can keep the power station topped up in diverse settings, whether at home, on the road, or in remote locations. The inclusion of a high-efficiency MPPT solar charge controller enhances its solar charging capabilities, allowing for fast and efficient charging from solar panels. In terms of output, the Delta Pro Ultra is equipped with a wide array of ports to accommodate different devices and appliances. It includes 6 AC outlets, multiple USB-A and USB-C ports, a carport, and DC 5521 ports. This variety enables it to power everything from smartphones and laptops to larger appliances like refrigerators and power tools. The unit supports a surge capacity of up to 7,200 watts, which is crucial for handling the initial power surge required by many high-power devices. Another notable aspect of the Delta Pro Ultra is its smart integration features. It can be monitored and controlled remotely via the EcoFlow app, providing real-time data on power usage, remaining battery life, and charging status. This feature adds a layer of convenience and control, particularly useful for managing energy consumption during extended power outages or off-grid activities. The EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra also emphasizes safety and durability. It incorporates advanced battery management systems, BMS, that protect against overcharging, overheating, and short-circuiting. The robust construction and high-quality materials ensure it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use while maintaining reliable performance. Overall, the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra stands out as a premier choice for those seeking a dependable, high-capacity portable power station. Its blend of large battery capacity, versatile charging options, extensive output ports, smart features, and robust safety measures make it an exceptional solution for a wide range of power needs.